All right, I was just coming out here to check on the garden and check on the butter beans. And it looks like the butter beans are ready to pick. I'm going to show you an up close picture of all the beans that we have in here. See how thick those beans are? And I believe most of them are all turning ready all at the same time. So I've got to get busy picking these. Once I pick them, I have no idea how long it's going to take for me to shell them. I may try to find somebody with a sheller and just get them shelled that way. I don't know, but I just want to give a little quick update and just show how the beans have grown up on the fence. And I could reach all the way to the top of this fence, no problem. And so this really makes picking these type of beans a lot easier when you grow them up on a fence like this. And on the other side is mostly leaves, and on the back side is mostly the beans. So that really made it a lot easier. And the sun comes up from that direction and then sets right behind me. So maybe that's why the leaves grow the way they do. All right, well, that's it.